friends, today we're going to draw a cute little looking pig.
Alright, the first thing that you need to do is that you're going to take a black marker and draw a circle.
Or you can do a pencil too. Next, we're going to draw an oval for the nose. And we're going to draw a little smile.
Then you're going to draw 2 circles for the eyes. And 2 ovals within the oval for the nostrils on the nose.
Next, we're going to draw circles inside the eyes. So one big one and one little one.
And then color in with black outside of those 2 smaller circles.
Yeah. Don't want to color in the circles.
And draw a triangle for the ears. Then you draw a smaller triangle within the triangles on both the ears. And we're going to draw the legs by drawing 2
lines. And then we're going to do almost like a wavy W to connect the horizontal lines. Then we're going to go up a little and then do the same thing and color it in.
And the last thing you do is then draw a tail. So you draw a
squiggly line.
Now it is time to color it in.
Yeah. And there you have it, a cute little looking pig.
Now remember, drawing takes
practice.
And yours may not look like ours, and that's okay. The important thing is that you're having fun.
Yeah.
See you next time, friends.
Bye-bye.